Welcome to another episode of Gone Fishing. Today we're out here by Steel Bridge. I've got my men's over here, Raiz and Nevs. We've got Kate coming to join us in a bit. We've decided we're gonna have a little competition going on today. What's the rules of the competition, boys? Biggest fish or most fish?
We're gonna go for body count and size count.
Body count and size count. So we're going for both. Either or could be a winner.
We're gonna see if some people can get on the board.
Because we had a little competition yesterday and Nevs took a while to get onto the board. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Stay tuned.
I'm ready. I can't be.
We got here immediately. The boys are tackled up. Then we got two ground traces with some crackers on, baby hooks. I think Neville's using a circle. Okay, so the rules are as follows, boys. Today, slimies are negative point. We have to. Slimies, yeah. I think that'll make it fair because I think we smoked it yesterday with the slimies. So slimies will be a negative point. As you can see, there's a lot of fish jumping in the background. There's a lot of mullet activity, which is never a good sign for fishing. That's normally when there's no other fish biting. But a lot of topwater activity in Richards Bay today in the estuary, as you can see in the background. But yeah, let's get into it. First fish on the board, yeah. Man, it had a late start yesterday. Starts off early today with a negative fish. Oh, it's not a slimy.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, can see that snot on your fingers. Pretty fish though.
I'm happy.
So what do we get? There's a negative one.
Yeah.
So it's going backwards, bro.
And it's so small. And it's so small.
Yeah.
So I think negative 2. Huh? I'm happy. I'm happy about that.
Yeah, we got a second one here. We got a little banana. Raiz on the board. It looks like I'm the only one not on the board yet, bro.
Pretty little fish.
Beautiful. I'm getting bites here.
Yeah.
Catch and release, gents.
Hey, sniping the fish, yeah? Right.
Tough time never lasts. Snotty. Zaki got a minus there. Welcome to the board though. Pretty fish, but I don't count.
We're going backwards, yeah. Damn. This is a very terrible start, actually. One, that's the third fish. Finding it, man.
Nice release.
Third fish. But okay, just arrived. First fish on the board. Jesus, brother.
Yeah.
Didn't even give us a chance, bro. It was the first line in the water. Nice one. Let's see, hold it up nice. Ooh. Hold it up nicely.
Yes, don't count.
Yeah, very pretty fish. Okay, on the board, yeah. What a pretty fish.
Zebra.
Zebra. Oh, yeah. Nice one.
Stumpy.
Hey, that's a miniature one, my boy.
You caught me, I didn't catch you. Pretty fish.
Beautiful. How was it?
Where? They should tap me the way I'm on speed, yeah.
On fire, boy.
What's the score? Cheers, what's the score? The camera's still recording, huh? What's the score, guys? Just so we're all clear.
Okay, you got 2. Minus 1. B minus 1. And you got okay this side, yeah. 1. But winning by size so far.
And the banana? The banana was the same size, kids. Let's be honest, it's church on Sunday, you must be honest.
Top of the cap. We got your rancher. Oh, what's the big perch?
on, good?
Yeah.
What do we got? Granta.
Perch.
Perch.
Welcome to the board.
What does the zeros mean?
Zero now.
I'm on zero.
Hey, I never press record. I'm joking.
Maybe I was not throwing a fish back.
Nice one.
Come on. Kiss my hand. Away. Naughty. Rise on. Oh, like a cruncher. Hey, this was running away from us, bro. Number 3. He's standing up too. Marty's excited. Yay.
Nice little grunter there. Spotted. I spotted him from far.
Hurry up there, I think I'm on yet. Wait. On. Recording. So I just got one grunter and got a phone call while we were recording. Didn't get the footage of landing the fish, but we were also disrupted by some GT action that happened right in front of us now. Chasing the mullet. Yeah, actually Rai's got a little bit of footage of it. I'll put in now.
Wow, cut. Yo. Check that. Woo! Something big is chasing that blue. Yeah, it's a TT. Shit. Did you get it on video?
No, yeah.
He got it.
I got it.
You got it. Don't play.
Yeah, no cheating. I caught the damn fish. I just don't have the footage anymore. But yeah, next one. This little bird just landed in the water. I don't know what happened to him, but it looked like he had it all sorted and then we misjudged and touched on in the water. Hopefully he can get a little bit closer and we can pull him out. Let's see. He's making a move. Go, buddy. We. Hey, there's a.
Hoping he makes it safe.
Yeah, but a GT that's
safe, but we're also hoping that a GT gets him.
I don't want the GT to get him, bro. Poor guy. Come on, you can do it, buddy. You can do it. You're almost there. He's got direction and purpose. He knows where he's heading. Oh, they were demonetized. Come on, bud. It must be struggling, bro. Shame. But we'll update you on part 2 to see if you made it. I think it's gonna get deep on the drop off there as you're going. He's almost there, buddy. Hey, he's coming to you even. Yeah, it gets deep fast. Hey, what if that GT eats it just before you get there?
Grab it.
Come on, you can make it, bro. You can make it almost there. Don't worry, you wet your brief, you'll be fine.
Yes, sir.
What? On?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we got a man with a fish here quickly.
Grunter.
Slimy.
Grunter.
Oi, nice one. You're almost there, bro. You're only gonna go up. He's coming right to you.
Bring him here so he can go.
Yeah, well done.
Do your part, I'm doing mine.
Let's see. Look at that fish. Nice. What you on now? 3.
4.
Number 4.
4
Yes.
Never caught a bird. Times are hard. Ready, boy.
Check it out. Damn little guy. Must be so tired.
Let's check.
Yeah, let's put him somewhere to rest and then let him gather himself. Put him somewhere this side. Little guy. Let him relax, breathe a little bit, dry up. We check back on him if he doesn't fly off before. If he doesn't fly off before we can give him more feedback on how's he doing.
Another cancer here for Zach.
Come on, man. Come on with it, boys. Oh. Hey!
Yay!
I'm gonna release you, buddy. Oh, this is cheap. You can't bring it down.
Here's that.
Oh. Yeah. Now you're on zero, Sano.
Yeah.
So, my man Nivs, from being -1, now he's zeroed out. Got a nice black perch. Well done. You're fortunate, got stuck in the rocks, managed to get it out.
So cool.
This is what you get for saving the birds, you know. So good luck came your way. Well done. Yeah, the bird is reviving a bit there. See, he's getting ready to leave. He's making his own journey. Don't go to the road, my friend. It's in the back.
See, I'm good.
Double click, man. Straighten out.
Where?
It's too late. You already straightened it. Cade's on the border. Cade just came from nowhere
Got you on 2.
to be a strong contender. Put the keys down.
It feels good to be a winner.
You never win yet, bro. The day's still young.
What you gonna do, guys? What you gonna do? Kiss it. No, you wanna. No kissing it.
No kissing it.
Cheers.
Second grunge of the day.
KD on what? Third one. 3 points. Here's our guys on the other side there, trying to get some mullet for live bait. But yeah, KD, another grunter. KD on here with another fish.
Oh!
What's that? Something. Hey, another one.
What do you want, his daddy or his mommy?
What size is that?
Para.
This is your?
2 kilo.
2 kilo.
Para 2 kilo.
Oh yeah. What number is that now? Number?
5.
Nice.
Oh, the keeping count.
Man is on fire. Huh? Another one. See what magic bait you using?
Baby hook. Baby bait. Quick and easy on the lip. Zach just got on the board.
And then what? There's another one?
There's Neville on also. Ah, unlucky. Unlucky chance.
Damn it, Slimy. What's it? 1 now. Yeah, down to 1 again. Horrible little thing.
Not here, yes, you're on 0.
I'm all the way back to 0 then. Oh man, oh man, oh man. What a terrible result. I was getting so close. Okay.
Zach coming through, bringing out the first knot in a while.
Right, I just wanted to show why we call it
And
a
we said whoever catches the next snotty has to show us why we call it a snotty. Show the viewers at home.
That's why it's called a snotty. Oh my gosh.
Put your fingers together.
Oh, that's disgusting. Damn it.
To de-hook this thing is a problem. That's why we get minus points. That was a nice one.
Hey.
But it took, huh?
Yeah. Well, I'm holding it because I got the next one. There we go. Another. Yeah, Kazi with these 7 fish today.
How you want it? Where you want it? I've got it. This is how you hook a fish, Jim.
You must speak up. Fish fly.
Don't mark me.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day, and if you've made it this far, you can see there's a lot of content. I'm gonna split the video into 2 parts. So if you did enjoy the first part, please find the second part, which I'll be posting straight after this. And thank you for watching.